7 plus 7 gives us 14. 9 times 14 equals 126. Drop down 252 and divide it by 126. This gives us 2. But this solution is wrong and this answer is not correct. Because according to the PEMDAS rules, our first step is to calculate what is inside the parentheses. Then next we evaluate the exponents. The next step is to solve the multiplication and the division components. Finally perform addition and subtraction. And all our operations will be performed from left to right. Okay, let's start our solution. In our problem we have this division and this multiplication. Also we have these parentheses for this multiplication. In mathematics, if a number is placed next to parentheses, this means multiplication, and we don't write the multiplication sign for conciseness. By following the PEMDAS rules, first we must do these parentheses, after that we do this division, and finally we do this multiplication. If you do this multiplication before this division, it's wrong. So we will start with these parentheses. We have 7 plus 7 equals 14. So 252 divided by 9 times 14. Now we have this division and this multiplication. Let's take this division. 252 divided by 9 gives us 28 times 14 gives you 392. So this was our final answer to this problem.